Lord, it's the same old tune, fiddle and guitar. Where do we take it from here? Rhinestone suits and new shiny guitars. It's been the same way for years. We need a change. Somebody told me when I came to YouTube, son, you finally got it made. Old Scotty made it here. We're all sure that you will, but I don't think Scott done it this way. I don't think Scott done it this way. Good morning, YouTubers. The good, the bad, the ugly. What's happening? So I woke up this morning. I gotta go get some coffee, so enjoy the view. I woke up this morning. Apparently I'm feeling like singing today. Dogs are going all fucking crazy because it's above freezing out, so they want to go for a W-A-L-K. Yes, we spell that word, and actually my male actually knows how to spell, so here he comes right now. So yeah, so I gotta take these guys out, W-A-L-K them very soon. But I woke up this morning and saw some things posted on YouTube, and there was a guy that kind of got involved in a laughing manner and things, but he did feel like he needed to clarify some shit, and that's cool, and it's all good. But I'm gonna, because yesterday that video really didn't go the way I'd planned it. I was accused of, oh, he's trying to get people to get more views on his videos. I don't give a shit about views. I mean, I really don't even give a shit if this channel were to go down. I just make another one like that fast, right? I may even have a couple more that I just put the fucking name on. Bam, I'm done. Upload my content. The main people I hang out with on here, they'll find me. They know the deal. I talk to them, and I have other means of speaking with them. So, and those people are very good to me, and you know who I'm talking about. Mr. Burt Cocaine, Mr. Elmo B, Mr. Will Galvin. All these guys have been very good to me, and they're good people. I mean, that's what it boils down to. They're just good people. But anyway, so I want to come out with the name of the guy, and that's going to be the name of this video. The username is jedblues, and as I like to refer to him as Jed Blows Bluesman. So Jed Blows Bluesman is still just having insulting comments. He's trying to get out of this guitar duel desperately. He keeps saying post a video. I said no, I'm not going to post a video, and you're not going to post a video, because here's the thing, is he'll never post a video anyway, because he's a fucking, he's one of those, remember when you were in school and there was always that one kid that would fucking, he'd be like standing on the roof, you know, and yelling, you fucking faggot, yeah, I'm gonna kick your ass, and you could never catch him. But then there was that day that you fucking caught him, and that kid took a fucking ass beating. He's that kid. So eventually he'll take an ass beating. But anyway, Jed Blues, man up, baby. I'm gonna do this live stream soon. I want to get with you. Private message me. I want to set this up and organize it, and I'm going to give it a couple of days, because I'm guessing that you're just going to be a little pussy about it. So, that being said, if anybody else wants to, you know, get on a live stream, and maybe, I was kind of hoping, because Jed Blows Bluesman, he's probably not going to show up. If he does, great. But since he probably won't, because he's a little fucking pussy, I'm hoping that I can just do an upcoming live stream where people can kind of be prepared for it, so that guys can have their guitars, and maybe we can just, like, you know, write a song together, do a little collaboration. You know, somebody does a rhythm and just something to do, fucking around. You know, a little hangout type live stream. Excuse me. So yeah, I was going through the comment section and reading different stuff. Like I say, dudes. Oh, and in the video that he comments to me on, I'm gonna post a link in the description so you guys don't have to go looking for it. And then if you want to see what's going on there, you can. So that way we don't have to, you guys don't have to be running around trying to figure out what I'm talking about and all that. I might as well just come out with it because, oh, it's not Jeb, it's jedblues. No, it's jedblues, but I refer to him as jedblues bluesmen. So that's the guy. So jedblues bluesmen, man up, get with me, homie. Let's do this, man. So that's all I really got for you guys right now. I mean, you can look at his comments, and okay. In the video he's referring to, this was a video I did a long time ago. I was sick. I was really sick. I had a bad fever for like several days, and I would fall asleep. And you know how you have those fucking weird ass dreams when you got a fever? That's what I was, you know, doing. And I dreamt about, you know, I woke up thinking, wow, you know, I know a nylon string on a guitar isn't going to pick up. And so I wanted to do the experiment. I wanted to just check and see for myself. I mean, I already knew it in my head that it wouldn't pick up through the pickups. But I wanted to do it, and I figured, well, I'll do a video too. I mean, I was a wreck, man. I was like 103 fever at the time. I was just a fucking mess. So I put this little, very short, basic video of my experiment, and I did relate it to Tonewood because I think it's relative. And jedblues, he keeps, you can see in the comment section, he really doesn't have any relevant arguments. He can't even, people like this, if they want to debate Tonewood, which here's the thing. Okay, let me clarify this. I never got involved with the whole Tonewood wars other than to watch Will's videos because I thought he did an excellent job of explaining the science and bringing it to a level where people with a lower IQ such as myself can understand, you know. Science and physics and things like that, these are difficult subjects, you know, when you whatever you're relating to, especially you're relating to the Tonewood. You know, these are really difficult things to grasp, and I thought that Will Galvin did a fantastic job of breaking it down and explaining it so even the lowest IQ members of society, again, such as myself, could grasp this knowledge and understand it. So, but then the people that argue with the videos that he did, and even the video that I did, this jedblues guy, you know, they can't even stay on topic in their own arguments. They end up talking about something else that maybe sort of kind of relates to the topic, but it's another story. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, it's another subject within itself. You know what I'm getting at? Do you know? So, anyhow, I gotta go take these dogs for a walk. jedblues, man up. Man up. People are calling for you, brother. And who knows? Maybe it'll be me who gets his head chopped. Alright, people. Have a great day. See you soon.